What's going on, guys? Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky. And here we are still amidst the lockdowns and quarantines of the COVID-19 chapter that we're all part of here. And, I've seen a lot of different stuff out there. Obviously, people are processing this differently. Like, I've been on both sides of the spectrum. Like, I'm like, everything's going to be fine. Every little thing gonna be all right. And then there's like, do I need to buy more guns? Like, where, there's everywhere in between. And I know for a lot of people, like, their lives are completely stopped and changed. Like, their kids used to be in school, now they're at home all day. Like, you maybe used to manage a restaurant and now the restaurant's closed, or like you're laid off, or whatever. And so I know that there's different levels that everybody's individually being affected by this whole thing. And but I'm seeing like there's this whole spectrum of ways to react. There's like on one end, there's like complete apathy, give up, sit, victim mentality, worry mentality, fear mentality, and I'm just gonna sit and wait it out. And then on the other hand, there's like the proactive, opportunistic, creative, like, wow, this is making me rise to the occasion type. And I saw something yesterday, a video that somebody had shared that was like about productivity shaming. And the whole idea was like, are you living your best life during quarantine or not? And what I started thinking about that was, I was like, no, there is no right or wrong way to be behaving right now. It is totally normal for you to at times feel apathetic, helpless, and like a victim, and then at other times be super motivated to like do something about your life or put yourself in a better position or whatever. But I got to thinking, and it's not about like, are you passing or failing? Are you doing enough during quarantine to be worthy or to be a success, or are you living your best life? It's not about that. What I see and what I want for everybody is, are you putting yourself in the best position possible to come out of this strong or not? It's not about, are you living your best life so that it looks good and you're worthy and you're beating everybody and you're being more productive? It's not about that. But if you're a person who's going to be in a position of struggle because of this, don't you owe it to yourself to be like kicking as much ass right now as humanly possible? Like, make yourself more valuable. If you're worried about your income or your job, like when this stuff is over or right now, don't just sit there and wait. Don't just sit there and worry and rock back and forth and smoke weed and like drink all day and sit on your couch or move into your parents' house and then just wait for it to blow over. Do everything in your power right now to put yourself in a better position. You are the creator of your reality. You are the director of the movie that you're a part of. Joe Rogan always says, be the hero of your own movie. What would the hero do? And apathy is not the answer. It's totally normal and valid to have feelings of like feeling apathetic and feeling like helpless in this situation, because a lot of it is out of our control. But you know what's not out of your control? Exercise, study, online classes, reading, learning, practicing a new language. Like, these are all things that you can be doing. There's literally no excuse. Like udemy.com, it's like $15 for almost any class on anything that you can take. You can get certifications through there. So what's your profession? Study something. Start accruing certifications and education. Like, put yourself ahead right now. Maybe you're in a business where you're like, well, I don't know that those things exist. Okay, learn another language so that when you hit the job market again, hey, I'm bilingual. Great, you win, right? That puts you ahead of 10 other people in line for that same job position. There are things that you can be doing. Guys, there's so many opportunities for you to teach people how to do stuff online. If you're a fitness trainer, you can be right now, guess what everybody's doing? They can't go to the gym. They want to work out. So if you're somebody who's normally a personal trainer, don't just sit at home and go, well, the gyms are closed, so I guess just not going to do anything. Create an online at-home fitness program. You could be doing live Zoom classroom trainings. You charge people $15 a pop to join you Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from the comfort of their homes, right? There's so much that you can do. What's a skill that you know how to do? You can charge people, you can sell programs online that people will pay you for to learn how to do something that you know how to do. You can be doing that stuff. Honestly, we live in the best possible time. Like, the opportunities are completely endless. So please, for your own sake, not just so that you can say, I'm being productive during quarantine. It's not about that. I personally give a shit about everybody, and I want people to be able to succeed and have abundance and live the best possible life experience that they can have. But that doesn't happen by accident. The government's not going to hand it to you. Mom and dad aren't going to hand it to you. It's not going to happen by accident. So you need to, you have the freedom to, is what I should say. Take a position of oh yeah, this is adversity. Watch me rise to the occasion. Watch me kick it into gear right now. How we respond, I think that there's a lot, how people respond to adversity tells a lot about their core character. Do you just sit back and go, well, nothing I can do about it? Or do you go, okay, I have a fire lit under my ass. I'm seeing adversity right now. I'm going to figure out a way to succeed, to do better. I'm going to come out of this stronger, better, faster, smarter, more successful than I did before. I want that to be the response, because that response brings strength and it brings results. And everybody does want those things. Everybody wants to live the best life possible, but you don't get that from apathy and from helplessness. You get it from just saying, no matter what it takes, I'm going to show up and make shit happen. And I want that to be you. Please use this opportunity to make yourself more valuable, more educated, smarter, stronger, better at your craft, because you have a unique opportunity right now to do it. And with the resources we have, you can do anything online. You can do it. So this is a motivation talk for you guys here today. I want all of you to kick ass and live a great life and not get brought down by this crazy thing that is out of our control. I want you to be inspired and motivated right now more than ever to really show up and kick some ass, because it's up to you. So, as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can check out roofsalesmastery.com if you're in the roofing industry, obviously, for my programs. But I'm rooting for you guys. I want everybody to kick ass and just live their best lives. And right now is a great time to show up and see what you're made of. So go get them, Tiger.